Bitcoin breaking $110,000 today and on its way up to $112,500. This is the first quarters level theory. In this video, I'm going to give you the next target for an upwards move in Bitcoin and what we need to watch out for a potential further drop just in case. Guys, we are seeing short squeeze after short squeeze after short squeeze here in Bitcoin, and it is mimicking the same exact patterns as we saw in November of last year that brought us to our previous all-time high. Now, I'm going to go over this quickly in today's video, but if you want an in-depth analysis and if you want to be able to ask questions live, you're going to want to join us for today's Inner Circle live Zoom hangout. This is happening in just a couple of hours. Live coaching and Q&A with Travis Martin, the founder of Trade Confident himself, today, Thursday, May 22nd from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Pacific time. And I don't know if I'm supposed to tell you this, but we do often go past 3. We love hanging out with you guys. If you want to join us, snag a membership at the links in the description down below for 25% off your first month. And as a bonus, you're going to get massive discounts on our indicators if you haven't purchased them yet. We're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus well money flow, and trades in favor indicators. You see this massive move up. There is still whale bearish divergence. Whale money is selling out of the market very slowly while the price is rocketing upwards. Upwards momentum appears to have run out. We have an 87% chance of a drop. And guys, the price is moving up. In fact, we very nearly tested the first quarters level theory of $112,500. What we're going to do now, I'm going to move this straight up here. This is going to turn red. Our next structure is going to sit at $115,000. This is quarters level theory. We're going up by $2,500 each time. We're going to take away this previous, that's the previous all-time high as well. Boom, like this. This is going to be our next move up range. This is going to be down here, our range for a potential market drop. Structure support sets between $100,000 and $105,000. I don't think we're going to drop any further than this if we drop at all. Resistance lines sit between $112,500 and $115,000 even. If you see whale money move into the market, this could be a sign of a further pump upwards. But honestly, I think through this weekend, we are going to hit at least $115,000 first. Once that happens, this is where we may see some sideways movement, as we see repeatedly for about a week or two at a time before these major pumps happen. Why are we getting pumps during bearish signals? This is called a short squeeze. At this point, a lot of traders expected a drop and retest of this previous resistance, now support. This is very typical. You're going to see this happen all the time after a breakout. This is where bigger moves happen. However, those that took short trades were liquidated as whale money moved into the market. Whales bought and bought until short traders were liquidated. This took away bearish pressure, allowed bullish pressure to flourish, and it pumped the price up. Same thing happened right here. Traders were expecting a drop. This was a massive pump. Of course, they're expecting a drop. Major resistance structures too. Whales bought into the market, pumped the price. And you're going to be able to see this more cohesively in better detail on the 4-hour time frame. I'm not going to go over that right now, but if you want a better detailed look, be sure to check that out. Again, right here, we saw sideways movement. Traders were expecting the price to drop, as they should. From a technical standpoint, it makes sense that it would drop. Whales bought in on the 4-hour time frame, even if it's traditionally trailing downwards on the daily. I want to point out weekly time frame, whale money is moving into the market as well, so keep that in mind. I'll describe why this happens, different time frames showing different data. But if this continues, we should expect a move up, a little bit of distribution at the top, and even potential higher moves. I'm talking up to $120,000. All right, price versus well money float trending downwards on the daily, but on the weekly, it is moving upwards. Simply put, indicator signals play out within typically about 1 to 6 candles. On the weekly time frame, this means 1 to 6 weeks. on the daily time frame, this means 1 to 6 days. So on a daily, about a week out, we're looking bearish. About a month or two out, we're looking more bullish, and that's what's playing out right now. 4-hour time frame. This means 4 to 24 hours. And since we're here, let's check it out. This is what I mean by we had a lot of short traders at this level. Whales bought in and pumped the price up. We're going over a lot. Guys, I'm sorry I'm all over the place. I'm really excited to see what Bitcoin is doing today. I'm really excited to see how our indicators are handling it. And most importantly, I am excited to see you in our Inner Circle live Zoom hangout today. It is always an absolute blast. I look forward to seeing everyone there. If you're not a member yet and you want to join us, even if it's just for this month, less than $50 to get started, links are in the description down below. Our members get access for up to $550 off to our indicators as well. So massive discounts are to be had. And while you're a member for that month, be sure to take advantage of our future forecast, trade setups, metrics across 40 coins, and more. Links are in the description, as I said. Down below, membership's the first link. Click that. It'll bring you to our sign-up page where you can get 25% off your first month. Less than $50 to get started. Indicator tab is where we're heading next. And with that less than 50, you're saving $150 with this coupon code here. Non-members don't save much at all. Pro Indicator Pack, click I want this, throw on that membership code, fill in your information, and once that is done, just click pay. It's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you a total $550 discount. Go and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident. I will see you in the membership today for the Inner Circle live Zoom hangout. Don't miss out.